Our towns and cities are full of infrastructures that waterproof surfaces and prevent the soil from absorbing rainwater. This makes urban environments more vulnerable to extreme rainfall, which is set to increase with climate change. When rainfall exceeds the limits of stormwater management systems, the costs and risks to public health and safety go up. Solutions exist to slow the movement of rainwater towards stormwater management systems, whether on a territorial, municipal, or even residential scale. At home, you can limit flooding with a backwater valve or sump pump, or by directing the water from your gutters away from the foundation. Municipalities can reduce potential impacts by investing in climate-resilient infrastructure. For example, we can construct buildings with raised foundations or without a basement in places where the water table is very close to the surface. Maintaining and upgrading stormwater management systems can also limit overflows. But engineering solutions aren't the only way we can adapt. Cities can raise public awareness and conduct land use planning accordingly. They can promote sustainable construction methods and prohibit those that should be avoided. They can inspect and maintain infrastructure in keeping with climate projections. Mapping flood-sensitive areas can help a city to prepare for events ahead of time, establish clear communication channels, and plan its emergency response. These less visible measures have a structuring effect on the region as a whole. That said, at every scale, we can expand our horizons by drawing inspiration from nature. Forests and wetlands act like sponges. Adding green spaces to our cities allows us to store and redistribute water. Urban natural areas offer plenty of co-benefits, like reducing heat islands, improving air quality, beautifying public spaces, and increasing biodiversity. We can preserve or increase the number of parks, woodlands, and other natural areas to provide refreshing spaces. Green roofs and walls absorb water and can help make the most of underused spaces. Green bioretention areas can filter rainwater and relieve pressure on drainage systems. Any of these measures may be appropriate, but choosing the right one depends on the specific issue, location, and context. Therefore, it's important to analyze the problem and coordinate our efforts to avoid shifting the issue elsewhere. Finding solutions together to take on stormwater flooding helps us limit today's consequences and anticipate those of tomorrow. Want to learn more? Visit ouranos.ca.